How to get a credit card from Bank of America. First, visit the Bank of America credit cards page. Open the official Bank of America website, select credit cards from the main menu, and browse the available credit cards. Choose a credit card that matches your goals such as cashback, travel rewards, or building credit. Step 2. Compare credit cards. Compare each card's rewards, annual fee, introductory APR, regular APR, welcome bonus, and credit score requirements. Select the card that best fits your spending habits. Step 3. Check for personalized offers. Before applying, you can check whether Bank of America has personalized offers for you. You'll provide basic information or log in if you're already a customer to see eligible offers. Then step 4. Click Apply Now. Once you've chosen a card, click Apply Now. The online application form will open. Step 5. Enter your personal information. You'll typically be asked your full legal name, date of birth, SSN, home address, phone number, email, and residency information. After that, submit your application. Bank of America may approve your application instantly, request additional information, or place your application under review. Most applicants receive a decision immediately or within a few business days, though some reviews can take longer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.